we are here to talk about our deep learning project which I and my team members have made. So first of all, starting with the title of the project. The title of the project is A Faster CNN for Identifying Health and No Health Situations. So first of all, the first question arrives is what is the need of the project? Uh, as we know, every year natural crises and disasters such as earthquake, landslides, flood, etc. impact broad areas of world. So in order to decrease the destructive impact of such events, accessibility to real-time and accurate geospatial info of degraded area is vital at early stage. So in this project, the application of various deep learning algorithms have been introduced to detect the disaster affected areas. So what is new in this project? First of all, the aim is not to introduce ML or DL algorithms that uses hundreds and thousands of images as a dataset, or one that requires powerful supercomputer to train dataset. Our aim is to reduce the pressure on rescue forces and provide accurate images of the regions where help is most required. So model is easily automated through the drones as well as Android devices. And CNN plays a very important role in our project. Few of the concepts are vital for our project. They are named as follows. First of all, a convolutional neural network. Secondly, pruning techniques. Fully connected layer. Image classification techniques. Further, the brief idea will be given by my team members.
Hi everyone, I am Deepthi Palapatti from Aditya Engineering College. From the last 6 weeks, we are doing an internship which was offered by Bennett University. During this internship, we have taken a dataset from leadingindia.ai. The dataset consists of 4000 plus images. First, we have resized the images and then trained by using various pre-trained models like VGG16, ResNet 18, ResNet 34 and ResNet 15 and with custom models too. VGG16 stands for Visual Geometry Group, which is a convolutional neural network model which was proposed by Zisserman from the University of Oxford. We have imported data frames like PyTorch and TensorFlow in the VGG16 and ResNet model to get best accuracy. We got around 95% accuracy when we have trained our dataset with VGG16 and ResNet 18, and we got around 92% when we trained our dataset with custom model, and we have imported data frame Keras in that custom model, and then we have pruned our data model by using L1 norm technique.
Hello everyone, my name is Deepika Rao and I will make you go through the flow of our model for our project. So our very first step was to collect the data set. The source of our data set is www.leadingindia.ai website. The next step was to split our data set into 3 different categories. The categories are training images, testing images and validation images. The data set that we received was not uniform, so we augmented and resized it into a fixed dimension. The third step was the implementation part. We implemented our data on custom model and various pre-trained models like VGG16, ResNet 18, ResNet 34, ResNet 50, etc. On training and testing was also performed simultaneously. After the training and testing part, we received some amazing results for the accuracies, which was up to 97%. This was a positive sign for all of us. The next step was pruning our data set. For pruning, we used L1 norm pruning. This strategy gave us up to 96% accuracy. The pruned model that we have received here is sufficient enough and quite efficient to work on various mobile devices as well as hardware devices. Thank you.
Developers working on deep neural networks for mobile devices require methods to reduce size and computation of the model. This can be achieved through pruning. Pruning is the method in which the size of the model is reduced by compression. This can be done by ranking each neuron in the neural network. In our implementation, we calculated L1 norm of each neuron and pruned the most redundant neurons. By doing this, we were able to reduce the model size by 47%. By retraining this reduced model, we were able to achieve accuracy rates of 90%.
Our project Help No Help is created for a generalized purpose. It doesn't detect which disaster it is or what is the climatic, but in general it will classify the help session image and no help session image. That is, somebody need help in some interior part of the nation, this model can detect the area and predict the image of the same, and it will do a good quality picture. This will be beneficial in all life-saving situation and provide a guideline to a rescue force to reach there as soon as possible. We demonstrate many pretend models, and first set of graph provide as a clear explanation of custom mobile and variety of pretend models. It is clearly visible that custom model provide about a 93.13% training accuracy, while highest training accuracy is obtained by the ResNet 34 of 97.63% and PruNet ResNet 18 provide a accuracy of 96.30%. Thank you.